Hi guys, Dorota Palicka, International New Artist and Educator here, and today I'm in with Fona. We are going to sculpt this set and I will show you step by step how to recreate it. I really love those swirly beads, so we have removed an old set from her nails and now I'm just scratching the surface of the natural nail, file and shape the free edge, remove the dust, dehydrate and then apply the nail form to sculpt a nice and beautiful coffin shaped nails. So that's the forms I'm using. Just put it on the back. There is a video where I'm showing like how to do those line work. So I'm in this tutorial, I'm not going to show you. Just relax it, nice, perfect. I'm not going to show you that because there is another video where will show you the roses. So the form nice and straight and pinch it. Then apply an extra nail prep and the universal air bond so we get a really nice adhesion. I like to put the fan on just so it speeds up the drying. And the gel which we are going to use is a dark nude. It's a really nice color of it. I love it on its own. Like obviously you guys have seen me I set with this and I really like it how it looks. That's why we decided to go for this color. So nice and thin layer through the entire nail, then pick up the scoop. It is the nicest day we had it so far, so I need to work extremely fast because obviously sculpting a set in the temperatures like this is pretty difficult task because the gel is extremely runny. Okay, and the side. And I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds and then pre-pinch it. In the meantime, because I'm still finishing this hand, I'm just going to apply the top coat on this hand as well. So I have left myself something to do in the time when the nail is going to be curing. So just applying the top coat. And there is nothing better than a freshly sculpted set. So I'm really happy we have removed the old set and we have made those beautiful fresh set, like the pinched and the really nice and slim looking nails. Much better than the sets on the tips. Unfortunately, our clients don't get spoiled often with the sculpted set. That's why I decided I need to record it as well. How I'm doing a sculpted set on a client as well. Change. So on this nail, I'm going to pinch it a little bit. Not that I need to, but it's just to get this extra slender look. And also, the more they pinch, the stronger they are as well. So you can leave the clamp on the client's nails if it's needed, or you can just pinch it like this. And that still change the shape of the nail, like they're much more narrow and more beautiful looking. Then pick up another scoop of the product. So nice and thin layer through the entire nail, nice and thin layer. And that's enough product on the sides for me. That's plenty product on the sides. And then we have to build up the apex. So I'm picking up the scoop of the product, place the client hand down the way, and I'm helping with the client hand. So it is really important the hand is really nicely relaxed, just so you can make this work faster. Don't go too much to the sides, especially when the temperatures is so high like today. The gel is like a water, honestly guys. So I'm just leaving the way it is and then give it a cure. So full cure and then we can shape it, and I will quickly show you how to shape it and how to paint the design. In the meantime, I'm going to clean this hand, apply cuticle oil and take a nice picture of it. Because Fiona wanted a nice bright set, but at the same time I didn't want to give it make it over the top, because she's always kind of elegant and classy looking, so we didn't want to overdo it. And I think like it looks absolutely fantastic with the combination of those dark nude gel. I really love this color. Like I'm just like Olivia actually did it for me as well on this nail. So she starts sculpting. That's one of the first nails she have ever did. It's not finished yet, but I think she made an amazing job, and so does this one as well. So I might actually do a video like how she's giving me a set of the nails as well. I'm just applying cuticle oil on those nails. And what I love the most about the sculpted, like freshly sculpted set, is the C curve of them. So this hand is cooked. I'm just going to remove it and shape it now. So take the form off, and now we are going to look like how beautifully pinched it is. Remove the inhibition layer and let's shape it. So perfect. So one side, other side, and you can see 2/5 of the file and all the excess of the product we had is gone. Shape the free edge, and the nail already looks pretty nice and beautiful. So I need to blend everything around the cuticle area. Just blended it all nice. Check the hairline, so like that will give you an idea how even the entire of the entire surface of the nail is. And then we are going to do a quick design. So I'm just making it nice and even, and then take a buffer to buff it more. So blend everything around the cuticle area. You don't want any product to be in there. So blend everything nice. And then remove the dust and paint the design. And then once the dust is removed, we can just paint the design, and we are going to use the paint on French gel to stick on the pigment. So I'm just going to paint like a wee single rose in here. Nice swirly middle. Then press it hard, lighter, just so you got this rose shape. The roses and the line works like are really popular, and because it's a summertime, it's a perfect way to use the pigments to make those kind of trendy Insta designs. And I had to record it and show you that, guys, as well. And then once the rose is ready, I'm going to quickly put it inside the lamp and cure it. 30 seconds cure for the pigment, just so that it stays sticks into it. If you over cure it, it is not going to stay in. So nice 30 seconds cure, and I've got time to clean everything in the meantime and then take a pigment. So that's the pigments I'm going to use it: yellow, orange, and a pink. For the line work, I just started like, but there is a video as well, so I have just done like a wee ombre. And same here, I'm going to apply a little bit of the yellow inside the rose, so tiny bit of yellow, then the orangey one on the next two petals, and then on the outside ones we're going to apply the pink. We can also mix them as well, so we've got kind of like almost rainbow roses. I think that looks absolutely great. And it's bright and summery, but at the same time, because of those nude base, it's not over the top. Remove the excess of the pigment. And then apply a couple crystals. So for the crystals application, I am using the base gel. And we are just going to apply a drop of the base gel and then a couple crystals in there. So just 3 larger ones and then some small ones underneath it. So you've got like a weak crystal triangle, and then cook it. The base gel, you just freeze it for like 5 seconds, and that's plenty for the base gel. And then we can straight away go into the top coat application. And then that's our set finish. I hope, guys, you have learned something and you have really enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, let me know down in the comments below. And also hit the share button, so just so the other can see it as well. So I'm just going to cook them, take a nice fun picture, and I'm sending you lots of glittery hugs, and bye for now.